வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு Inspire Academy. So இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா பார்ட் 3 current affairs வந்து ஜூன் மந்தோடது நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். First one, which is the first company to directly obtain and implement 5G spectrum? So L&T Technology Services. So the first tech company to publicly express its interest in government's direct allocation of spectrum for captive 5G networks. Answer is L&T Technology. Which is the first country to approve a vaccine for COVID Omicron variant? So it is UK. Become the first country to authorize COVID-19 vaccine to treat the Omicron variant. So who is the first woman from Tamil Nadu to climb Mount Everest? So it's Muthamar Selvi. Sebastian Vettel, who announced retirement recently, is a racing driver from which country? So in the country, Germany. Which Indian state or union territory is the host of G20 summit in 2023? So Jammu and Kashmir. It's Jammu and Kashmir. Female umpires will officiate in which men's cricket tournament for the first time in India? So it's Ranji Trophy. Who is the author of autobiography titled Madam Sir? So it's the autobiography of Manjari Jaruhar, one of the first 5 women police officers in India. Gindi National Park, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which state? So it's located in Chennai in the state of Tamil Nadu. White-tufted royal butterfly has been recently spotted in which state? So it has been recently spotted a rare butterfly species in Kaliat in Kannur. So it's in Kerala. Dust particles in which state are recently found to have heavy concentration of toxic metals? So, Jharkhand. So, Central Board and Ranchi Municipal Corporation in association with the ASA are an organization working on clean air environment. So, it's Jharkhand. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 அப்படிங்கிற நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணலாம். ஒரு inspireacadamii@gmail.com அப்படிங்கிற மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ வந்து லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.